Do you suffer from annoying TPMS light on your dash due to faulty sensors in your wheels? Replacing these sensors can cost several $100s, pounds or euros. Finally, there's a solution developed in the UK, the world's first TPMS bypass system. You can install this yourself in easy steps. Unlike other options, no vehicle software modification is required. Designed, developed and built in the UK by vehicle electronics experts. It's a standalone box. It runs on 2 AA batteries and is easily programmed to your car or truck. There's no wiring as the device communicates with the vehicle by radio. And due to its size, it's easily fitted and concealed in the cabin. Here's the inside of the unit. You can see the printed circuit board and battery holders. The unit itself has no setup requirements, as you order the unit to match your vehicle type from the website. And here's the electronics. The green printed circuit board, battery holder and polarity is shown for easy insertion. The wires are carrying the power from the battery to the circuit board. And this third wire is the unit's actual antenna. Turning the unit over, this is the on-off switch. Turn it off before inserting the batteries. Simply insert the batteries, observing the polarity. This is a closer look at the TPMS bypass system. The main item you need to check, all is working, is the LED. This is the LED. Then just switch the unit on and it starts transmitting. After you switch on, the LCD will start flashing after about 20 seconds, as you can see here. In the unlikely event that it doesn't flash or it's on continuously, then contact our team for the solution. When the LED is flashing, the unit's ready to use. At this point, switch the unit off and replace the cover as shown. Reapply the screw and your unit's ready to install in the car. This particular unit is programmed for Ford. Here is a Ford Fiesta EcoSport where we will demonstrate the system working. Now here are the programming steps supplied with your unit for this vehicle. Ignition off. Press brake and release. Turn vehicle ignition off and on 3 times, ending in the on or run position. Then press the brake once and then release. Now turn the ignition off, then on, then off and on again, and for a 3rd time off and on. Car horn will now beep and the display will show Learn mode. Switch on the bypass unit and the horn will beep as each wheel is learned. After all 4 wheels are learned, it will display training complete and your TPMS light is off. The final step is to find a good location, ideally beside the receiver, which in this vehicle is behind the glove box. It's always good to check with the dealer where your receiver is located. Thanks for your interest in the technology. Do not hesitate to get in touch, where we guarantee you the very best of support, and say goodbye to those annoying TPMS lights.